In this video we'll learn about index method. So index method returns the index of the specified element. So it takes three parameters: element to be searched, okay, and then the start index and end index. So now let's make a number variable and let's store a tuple of, let's take from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now let's call numbers dot, okay, and then let's search the element 4 and then let's make the variable as index, okay. So now let's print the index. So here you can see it is giving the output as 4. So let's put some start index, numbers dot index, and let me put here 3, and I'll be searching it from 2 to, let's say, 7. So let's print the index. So it is giving the output as 3. So it is there in 3. So if the element is not searched, it gives the value error. So you can see here from 5 to 7, 3 is not there. So it is giving the value error.